Hello students, in this video we are going to study about practical number 11 for standard 11 science students. So this practical is use of GPS to find area and perimeter. So we all use GPS to find the distances if we want to travel from one place to another place. So today we are going to study about some particular app which is going to tell us about the area as well as the perimeter. Let us move further with the theory part. So what is GPS? GPS is going to tell you the location of any place. Okay, so to find out the location of any place on the earth, you require an GPS instrument. So like the internet, mobile, GPS is also essential element of the global information infrastructure. The free, open and dependable nature of GPS has led to the development of hundreds of applications affecting every aspect of modern life. So we all know that today's world we use GPS everywhere. Okay, just to find out the location wherever we want to visit. Okay, they are available in our vehicles also. Whenever you travel from one place to another with the help of car, you know that you can go with the help of GPS. Next, it is used in farming, it is used in communication, networking, banking, financial markets, supply management, mining, surveying. So these are all the sectors in which you can use GPS. Now, GPS is divided into three segments. First of all, you just have a look at this figure. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पे एक सैटेलाइट है. सो दिस इज अ स्पेस सेगमेंट. ठीक है, ये जो सैटेलाइट आपको दिखाई दे रही है तो ये है आपकी स्पेस सेगमेंट. दिस इज अ कंट्रोल सेगमेंट which is on land. Anywhere on the earth, it is a control segment. And finally, the last one is your user segment. ठीक है, तो user segment में सारे devices आएंगे. ओके, जिसमें आप GPS यूज करते हो. ठीक है, तो जैसे कि मैंने बोला कि कार में भी GPS है. बाय दैट यू कैन जस्ट आइडेंटिफाई द लोकेशन एंड यू कैन जस्ट सी द रूट बाय विच यू हैव टू ट्रैवल. The same thing is available in ships. It is available in aeroplane also to see the direction and the location of the place where the aeroplane must land. Okay, so these are the devices which are the user segments जो user लोग करते हैं. Okay, now let us see the segments one by one. So the first segment is the space segment, which is also called as satellite. So each GPS needs to be connected to the satellite. सबसे important बात ये है कि it should be connected to the satellite. Without that, you cannot get the perfect and exact location. So these satellites are orbiting around the Earth. तो Earth के ऊपर these satellites they keep on revolving and 20,200 kilometers above the earth they are being situated. So each satellite circles the earth twice a day. So एक दिन में 2 बार it just circulates the earth surface. Okay, so this is about the satellite. अभी जो next segment है वो है control segment. So this is the segment that consists of ground station located anywhere on the world. तो ये जो सेगमेंट है ये ग्राउंड लेवल पे या फिर अर्थ के सरफेस के ऊपर ये जो कंट्रोल सेगमेंट है वो सिचुएटेड होता है. ठीक है, सो दे ट्रैक द GPS सैटेलाइट, मॉनिटर देयर ट्रांसमिशन एंड परफॉर्म द एनालिसिस एंड सेंड द कमांड एंड द डेटा टू कंस्टलेशन टू मेक श्योर द सैटेलाइट्स आर वर्किंग प्रॉपर्ली और नॉट. तो इसका काम क्या है, ग्राउंड सेगमेंट का काम क्या है कि सैटेलाइट के ऊपर वॉच रखना. ठीक है, सैटेलाइट ठीक से काम कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है, या फिर आर दे गिविंग द परफेक्ट एनालिसिस ऑन द डेटा. सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय द कंट्रोल सेगमेंट, इसीलिए उसे नाम दिया है कंट्रोल सेगमेंट. एंड देन वी हैव नेक्स्ट विच इज कॉल्ड एज यूजर सेगमेंट, द थर्ड सेगमेंट. सो यूजर मतलब वी पीपल. ओके, so we are using several instruments. तो हम लोग इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज करते हैं. क्यों यूज करते हैं कि जिससे हमें सिग्नल मिले. ठीक है, तो we use different segments and we receive the satellite signal to transmit the information to the user, like at which position we are, at which place we are, location, position, time, speed, All these things are very much important in the case of user segment. Now what is the aim of this practical? First of all, you should know कि जब भी हम कोई practical करते हैं तो उसका aim क्या है. Okay, so we are going to find the latitude and longitude of the place. Okay, तो इसके लिए आपको क्या करना है, आपको एक app download करनी है. Okay, so that app I'll be telling you further that which app you need to download. Okay, so what is the full form of GPS? GPS is nothing but Global Positioning System. Okay, so now the aim is what? To find the latitude and longitude, and the second thing is what? To find the perimeter as well as the area of a certain plot. So these are the two aims of our practical. So what do we require for it? जैसे कि मैंने बोला कि we require two apps, and that apps are should be downloaded in some smartphone. So the material required firstly is your smartphone with a good internet facility. सबसे पहले उसमें अच्छी internet facility होनी चाहिए, and there should be one notepad, pen and pencil to write down the segments. तो जब भी आप जर्नल लिखोगे तो ये डायग्राम आपको जर्नल में ड्रॉ करनी है. ओके, नाउ लेट अस मूव फर्दर that how are we going to start with the practical session. Okay, so practical session में आपको apps download करने हैं. तो सबसे पहला जो app है, so this is the app which you have to download. Okay, Simple GPS app is the name of the app which you have to download. It is going to look like that. So this is the icon which you can see here. This is the icon, how it appears. Okay, तो उसके बाद when you double click, when you are going to open that app, what are you going to see? This is the screen which will be present in front of you. Okay, after that you need to take the readings. So what are the readings necessary here? GPS network is GPS. What are the number of satellites? Number of satellites यहाँ पे इन लोगों ने 10 दिया है. You just have to count the latitudinal extent. What is the latitudinal extent? And what is the longitudinal extent? Okay, उसके ऊपर आप altitude और speed भी count कर सकते हो. And then you can see what is the location. It is Senapati Bapat Marg, Pune, Maharashtra 411004, India. So this is about the app which you by this app you get this much information of that certain location. Now you need to make sure one thing that your in this app the reading of satellite जो यहाँ पे 10 है वो कम से कम 4 होनी चाहिए. Okay, then and then only you will get the accuracy of your location. If it is less than 4, if the satellite count is less than 4, then your data will not be accurate. So you have to take a screenshot. You have to take a screenshot of all this information and you have to complete these observation. Number of satellites कितने हैं? तो आपका आंसर होना चाहिए 10. So here the answer should be 10. After that absolute location, latitude और longitude. So यहाँ के readings, latitude और longitude के readings आप लोग लिखोगे. And then after that you have to write the altitude and the speed. तो यहाँ पे एड्रेस और रिलेटिव लोकेशन. तो एड्रेस आपको जैसे कि यहाँ पे दिया है सेनापति बापट रोड. So that is the address which you are going to write. And then at the last you have to repeat the process for more 2 points not in the same location. तो आपको क्या करना है कि you just have to travel somewhere. So you can take one reading at your home, you can take one reading at your college place, and you can take a third reading in the market or wherever you go somewhere else. Okay, तो ऐसे 3 readings आपको लेने हैं. So make sure that you should have simple GPS app in your mobile phone. You can take it from Play Store. उसके बाद ये जो readings है वो आपको मिल जाएगी. Okay, and that readings you have to write. Minimum 3 readings you have to take and you have to complete these questionnaires like altitude, उसका speed या फिर longitude, latitude and relative location के बारे में आपको लिखना है. ठीक है. Now there is the second part. Second part of this practical is you have to download the second app. तो उसका नाम है GPS Area Measurement and Calculator app which is available on गूगल प्ले स्टोर, ठीक है। तो ये ऐप क्या करेगा, आपको एरिया बताएगा या फिर पेरीमीटर बताएगा आपके लोकेशन का, ठीक है। सो आफ्टर क्लिकिंग ऑन दिस ऐप, द फॉलोइंग स्क्रीन विल अपीयर. So this is the screen which will appear. There are so many apps available on internet, so you don't have to download those apps with the same name. You just see the icon carefully, your maps measurement, and try to get the same app. Okay. After that, click on the area icon. ठीक है, तो एरिया यहाँ पे अगर आप जाओगे राइट हैंड साइड पे तो एरिया का आइकॉन आएगा, तो उस पे आपको क्लिक करना है, जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो. सो यू हैव यूनिट्स, डिस्टेंस, एरिया, मैप, सैटेलाइट एंड टेरियन. So these are the measures, unit, distance and area, and these are the views कि आपको मैप का व्यू चाहिए या फिर सैटेलाइट का व्यू चाहिए या फिर टेरियन का व्यू चाहिए. So these are the different views. Okay. Now you can choose any of the view. You can choose the टेरियन view या फिर सैटेलाइट का व्यू, ठीक है. Now you can select the points to make a plot. तो आपको points select करने हैं, तो आप जस्ट आपके फिंगर से 3 पॉइंट्स उसमें डाल सकते हो, ठीक है. सो चूज एनी 3 और मोर पॉइंट्स टू मेजर द एरिया ऑफ द प्लॉट. तो आपका कौन सा प्लॉट आपको मेजर करना है. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट मिनिमम 3 पॉइंट्स तो होने ही चाहिए, उससे भी ज्यादा अगर है तो भी चलेंगे. So teacher should make sure that the points are not too close enough. At least 25 meters का distance उसमें होना चाहिए. तो आप बोलोगे कि वो डिस्टेंस कैसे पता चलेगा, तो यहाँ पे डिस्टेंस आपको समझ में आएगा. ओके, करंटली इट इज रिटन 0 meters. When you will start plotting the points, they will tell you the distance. Okay, whatever is the distance. So make sure कि आपका जो डिस्टेंस है वो 25 meters के ऊपर है. Okay, go to the first point and click on the blue point on the screen, and this will be your first point. वैसे ही आपको बाकी के 3-4 points plot करते 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 you just have to come to the end. At the end you get the perimeter of the plot. Okay, so go to the 3 points, come back to the first point. ऐसे घूम फिर के आपको फिर से वही point पे जाना है, and उसके बाद आपको एक distance मिल जाएगा and you will get the perimeter of the plot. So you can just see in the screenshot. These are the screenshots. This is the first point, this is the second, then this is the third. फिर fourth को यहाँ पे allot करके उन्होंने fifth को यहाँ पे मिलाया है, ठीक है. So उसके बाद this is the plot. Go in area and then in the area you will get the readings. So this is how you are going to prepare a table. So in the table you have the points. So total points they have given here, and you have to calculate the area and perimeter according to it. Okay, so this is how you are going to make the observations and conclusions for this practical. So make a map of your school playground. These are the assignments which are given for you, or it is a suggestion which is given for you in the practical. You can take an area of your farm, or you can take the distance between your home and your school with the help of mobile GPS. Okay, so these things you can follow for this practical. Now the practical demo with the help of the app I'll be uploading in the next video. So you can kindly watch that demo and do the practical accordingly. So I hope this video was helpful to you all, and because of a lot of request from all the students regarding the 11th practical, so I have started with this very first practical. I hope there is no doubt in it. If any query, you can comment me in the comment section. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and do subscribe it.